Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share WhatsApp link, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and I'm going to create a group. First of all, I'm going to add the people. I have added the person, I have created the group, and then I'm going to tap on the group over here and I'm going to scroll down and I will find this kind of interface where I'll find this option of invite to group via link. I'm going to tap on that. Let's add in a group name for the matter, save, and I'm going to tap on the send link via WhatsApp as well. I can simply do that, or I can simply copy my link and I can tap on the share as well, so it will open up the section where I can directly send them on my WhatsApp as well who have WhatsApp. Otherwise, I have copied the link. I can open any social media platform of mine and I can send that. Other thing is that I can simply go ahead and go to my settings at the bottom right and my profile over here, and I can also share my profile. But for that I will have to tap on my QR. I can simply share this QR to the people. I can tap on the share button and I can also copy my QR from over here and I can simply share it to my friends and family via other platforms as well. That is how you will be able to share your link of either your phone or your group link or a WhatsApp link. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.